Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and today I am going to tell you chapter 1 knowing the numbers from NCERT book. So let's get started with the first topic of chapter 1. Comparing numbers is the first topic. So as we all know how to compare numbers, like we have got these two examples. Now we can simply identify that which one number is the greater. So the number having 3 digits is greater. So on the greatest I write 104, and now 98 is the smallest, I think so, because it has not 3 digits. So now we will write here 98. But friends, I didn't understand one thing. Now if you want to compare these two numbers, then how shall we do it? I will tell you. Now we have two numbers 72 and 84. So now we want to get the greatest and the smallest digit number. So now for this, first we will see ones place of both the numbers. So as we can see, 4 is greater than 2. So now we will just see at the tens place. We all know 4 is greater than 2, so the number having 4 is greater. But now, so we can see that 84 is the greatest number. But friends, now what we have to do? The last digit, first digit number is already same. So now how we will compare it? Okay, so let's get started with the tens concept now. So first we were in the ones place as both are same. So now we will go to tens place. At the tens place we can see 8 and 6. So which is greater, 8 or 6? 8 is greater. So now here we can simply identify that 88 is greater than 68. So greater digit will be 88 and smallest will be 68. So friends, now we did them. Now we are having some examples. I want you to solve these. So let's get started. So first 24 and 32. So as we all can see that 2 is smaller than 4. So exactly 24 is not still yet big, because we have to also see at the tens place. So at the tens place, at the ones place 4 is bigger, but at the tens place 3 is bigger. So we have to choose the tens place bigger. The more the number is bigger on the tens, hundred place, that number is bigger. So now we will put a sign greater than. So now second example is 42 and 42. So can we see ones and tens place are just same? So we will put here equal to sign. Now the next question, 62 and 108. So as you simply know, 3 digits number is always big and bigger than 2 digit number. So simply we will just put greater than sign. So friends, now we are starting with second concept, ascending and descending order. So now here we have some numbers mixed. Now how we will keep them in series from bottom to top. So now first we will take ascending order. So now friends, in ascending order we have smallest to big, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now in descending order we have biggest to smallest, like 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So now how we will compare these? How we will put them in ascending order? So for putting them in ascending order, we will just take the help of the rule from smallest to biggest. Now in this number, which number is smallest? Can you guess? I think so 12, because at the tens place it is the smallest number. So now first at the ascending order we will write 1 and 2, 12. And now we will put greater than sign. You can also put commas. So now second question, now we have to do second number. Now which number is greater? How we will find that? I told you, see, ones place is bigger than 8. But now we want to find ascending order from smallest to biggest. So now we selected this one, and now we want to take one number from these three numbers. So we will take 42. Why? Because you can see 4 is smaller than these on the tens place, 6 and 8. So now here we will now write 42, and now again greater than sign. Now we will take question number 68 because it is smaller than tens place at the 8. So now we will write 68 greater than sign, and now 82 because this is the last number. So now we will write here 80 and 2. So now we want to find them in descending order. So how we will do that? I told you the rule, biggest to smallest. Now as we have wrote these numbers, so now we will take 82 because it is the biggest number at the tens place. So right here 82 and then greater than sign. Now we want to add one more number to it. 82 is done, but now which number we have to take? Which is the biggest number in the tens place? From these three, 68. So now we will write here 68, 68. Now the next number we will take 42 as it is smaller than 6. 4 to 42. And now as this is the last number left, we will write 12. So friends, today's concept is complete, and in part 2, chapter 1, knowing the numbers, we will come with these topics: place value chart with international and Indian place value chart, rounding off numbers till 110s. So now, bye bye, take care, thank you.